Hey, Dinkem, Keduno, Obio Walozo, na Supu. I'd just like to say a big welcome to you all to Supu, and today it is the Igbo Language Cafe. So today, the plan was to talk about the thinking, the reasoning behind starting Supu, because it's really important. It's something I'd like to talk about, but I got another idea. So today's video, we're going to be talking about happy birthday. I know it sounds very I don't know, so official. I mean, what is a happy birthday? Well, it's not my birthday anyway, but it is a special person's birthday tomorrow, and that special person gave me the idea for this. So kankowa chicken enyi mpom ta osim na nwa nwanyi chokam ne ako mana okay muna nwa nwanyi cruise maka na onwe ihe ọ na-eme. So enyi ma gwa m na ihe nwa nwanyi chọrọ ịjọ mbọ obi kedu ihe a na-akpọ happy birthday in Igbo. I mean, ọ ka asụ ya n'Igbo. She would have said it in Igbo. So my friend's daughter wants to know, what do you call, or how do you say happy birthday in Igbo? I am so impressed that she's going to be 7 tomorrow. Okay, mara sa echi. Mana nwa ofuka kosi nabata ihe Igbo anu otobugom. I'm just so pleased. I'm so excited, you know. So when see my higeme, come on ge bido ta kube maka echiche de or echiche so debe mbido sopo. Kamu kugo kan jukene ndi mmadu ogini bo happy birthday in Igbo. When see okay. Ihe ga-eme bụ kamu zie ozi, kam zigara ndị mma bụ ndị Igbo, ndị mma na-asụ Igbo ọfụma, ka m zigara ha ozi ka m gbagoro ihe ha ga-ekwu. Onye mbụ ụzọ zigara ozi bụ mama, ezigoro m mama m ozi, zigara enyi m na-abụ ozi, ndị abụọ ndị akịrịka ndị Igbo, ndị akịrịka asụsụ Igbo. So I sent messages to 2 of my solid friends, 2 people I know will tell me or should know what in Igbo how to say happy birthday. I'm with my phone, so anytime I keep looking down, I'm actually looking at my phone. So I've sent messages to my friends, and I've sent messages to my mom. I've sent a message to my mom to ask what is happy birthday in Igbo. And one of the first things I've done is Igbo Muzo Koala. Before tupu na me video kan kogodo aha nwa no aha obere nwa na eku maka kita bo kachimsi. So kachimsi nke ba ako. Happy birthday. This is specially for you, this message, this video, and I hope so many other little children like you will learn from this. So my darling Kachimsi, happy birthday. And by the end of this video, I will tell you what happy birthday is in Igbo, or at least what I will be using, so that you can tell your friends, and so that you can tell your uncle, whose birthday incidentally is today, the 13th of May. Kachimsi's birthday is on the 14th of May. You can tell your uncle today, happy birthday in Igbo. And tomorrow you can say to yourself, my darling angel, happy birthday. And I will call you tomorrow. Anyway, can you not go to Subi wine? Where's Mamia? Imana ihe kakwana dimpwabo, echiche deneha, echiche didebe. Equal happy birthday Nemo. Or broke one equal happy birthday man. Go na phone mother go ihe kacha dị mkpa bụ echiche dị na ya. Nwesia nche maka ya kita, as in thinking literally, I would say that happy birthday in Igbo is mbosi ọmụmụ ọma. Mbosi ọmụmụ, mbosi is day, ọmụmụ or ọmụmụ. Mbosi ọmụmụ ọma. Ọmụmụ is to be born, or ọmụmụ to birth. Ọma, good. You know, it doesn't make sense when you try to say mbosi day, birth, good, but really it's happy birthday. That's what I thought. So I sent a few messages out. Zigale nyim nabo ozi. Ofo azago. Okay. Check. So ofo yeweza mwesemo na iho ge-ekwu ncheta ọmụmụ. Ncheta ọmụmụ. It makes sense. And to explain it, ncheta ọmụmụ means remembering birth. Ncheta ọmụmụ, remembering birth. I said that the reason why she said this is because if a child's birthday is on Monday and the child will be 5 on Monday, what they would say is Oga Abafo is saying on Monday, so he or she will be 5 years old on Monday. So you can say Ncheta Omomo. Ncheta Omomo, because that's how so Ibafo. Maybe she said something else you could be is Ibafo. I'm like, okay, cool. So I call my mom, and my mom says she thinks that happy birthday will be Omumuoma. And to be honest, I think that is really cool. Omumuoma means good birth. Omumuoma. But she said to me, Mama said to me, you know what? Let me ring someone else. Let me call one of my close Igbo friends, or I think an Igbo teacher, and we'll find out what happy birthday is in Igbo. So she sent me a message now. I'm looking at my phone again, and mommy says it is. Ana m ezitere gị ozi ekele maka ntụkwasị afọ ọzọ n'elu afọ gị. Diego. Okay, sorry. I shouldn't be laughing. My mom is so special. I love mommy. I love all her friends, and this is absolutely fantastic. Mama says, Ana m ezitere gị ozi ekele maka ntụkwasị afọ ọzọ n'elu afọ gị. So it means I'm sending you kind greetings for adding another year to your age. I'm sending you kind greetings or good greetings for adding another year to your age. Ana m ezitere gị ozi ekele maka ntụkwasị afọ ọzọ n'elu afọ gị. So that is good. But can you imagine me saying that to a little child? You know, catch him say, happy birthday, bro. Ana m ezitere, come on, she's gonna bite her tongue, mama. So Kachi, I think, I mean, if anybody else has any ideas of how to say happy birthday, please put it down in the comment box. I would love to hear your thoughts. I'd like to see what people would say. I'd like to know. Before I say something to Kachimsi, to say exactly what the happy birthday, just a brief one now. The point of Supu, because there are not so many Igbo words in English, or there are not so many words that you would say in English in Igbo. I mean, I love words like for instance, I know that in Yoruba there are so many words you can literally translate an English word and you will have a Yoruba word to match it, you know, and so many other languages as well. I'm saying Yoruba because this is one that I know, but in Igbo we don't have so many. I know recently I got a text. I was trying to say something to my sister, and I was trying to just speak Igbo and not put English. We are very, 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 very good at putting English into an Igbo sentence. It's called Ingiribo, and I'm trying to not speak Ingiribo. If I want to speak Igbo, I want intention. I just want to be intentional about it. Speak Igbo and not add English to it. If I want to speak English and not add Igbo to it. You know, that sort of thing. You know. Anyway, so we're talking, and I said to my sister, I was trying to tell her phone, and I kept thinking, what is telephone in Igbo? I kept, what on earth? So I made up my own word, and I said it's called Mbokete. It's called Mbokete. Later on, she sent me a message that she thinks it's Igwente. And a friend of mine I was speaking to as well said, Okwente. So, I am so ready to make up my own words and write an Igbo dictionary if I have to. Just to make this point. So that I want Igbo to stand, to be a standalone, solid language that people will enjoy, that children will be proud of speaking outside, and will have words to support themselves while speaking. And that is what Supu is about. I'm just giving you a tip of the iceberg of Supu. Now let's go back. Happy birthday. So now, Kachi, my darling Kachimsi, you'll be 7 tomorrow. Ige mafo ne. Ige mafo asa echi. Echi bo iriano nke June. So the 14th of June. Ige mafo asa echi. Achome egwa gị. Mkpụrụ obi achome isi n'ime obi m gwa gị ọmụmụ. So happy birthday is, we'll call it ọmụmụ. Until somebody else watching, seeing this, thinks of another word, and if you do, I will make another video to talk about it. Anyway, until then, it is ọmụmụ. So kachimsim ọmụmụ. Happy birthday. happy birthday, and I wish you so many beautiful things. And keep enjoying Supu. I love hearing about you watching and writing out your Igbo words. And to so many other little children and learners of Igbo language out there, as you learn, I want you to just keep your questions coming, keep your comments coming as much as possible. Whatever I can answer, I will answer. And I have a truckload of solid Igbo language people behind me that know what is in Igbo. I call them my village rambos, and we will definitely together make up or write out good words. It's not about making up or getting the right thing, getting the right words, finding the right words. I've just ordered an Igbo dictionary. I shall be sharing it with you all to let you know where I got it from, and whatever is behind it, I'll be sharing it to let you know as well. So until then, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've enjoyed making it. I've enjoyed sitting here and chatting with you all. Until then, Obi Obala from Supu says, Cardinal.